What's going on, everybody? Well, this is my final single seed challenge. Getting ready to cut the first flower off my American Giant Hybrid sunflower that I did. Once again, here's my little pot single seed challenge. Even before that, I have my little tag SSC for single seed challenge. My other two sunflower plants, I've already cut one off of them. They're getting ready to get some more harvested. And I'm going to be drying these out, turn them into some yummy sunflower seeds. So, break out my trusty Leatherman. All right, there we go. Now, I'm going to bring this in for you. Look at all them. Beautiful, just straight up beautiful. Those are going to be some tasty sunflowers. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the rest of them. And then we'll go over and put them into my greenhouse so they can dry out the rest of the way. Love how these things just really bring in the bees. I've been having a lot more bees than normal in my garden. Still got a couple flowers like this one right up here that's getting ready to bloom. This one's not quite ready yet. Been sort of hiding. Oh yeah, this one has some big seeds on it for being such a small one. And it even has a second flower that's getting ready to bloom here. That one's not quite ready to be cut off. Alrighty, this one even has a couple that have to be bloomed still. Alright, let's put some of these in here. Let them dry out. Single seed challenge had a really good flower on it. Look at all them sunflower seeds. I can't wait to take these in a couple days and roast them up. Now that my sunflowers have dried, time to start taking the seeds out of here. So, very satisfying taking the seeds out. That one I think I dried a little bit too much. This was one of the ones that survived the frost. I might have over dried it a little bit. I should still get a few out of it. This is my single seed challenge sunflower. Put that one there. Go ahead and do the single seed challenge sunflower. Oh, look at those. Those are beautiful. Just coming right out. Now I put mine in the greenhouse to dry out to keep the birds off of it. Some people will put a paper bag over the top of their sunflowers to dry them out. That's to keep the birds off. Problem is, up here in Western Washington, it just rains way too much to put a paper bag over the top of your sunflowers. So I put them in my greenhouse to dry out. This one, the single seed challenge one, was perfect. Let it dry for about 4 days in there. And compared to the other ones, but I wanted to wait and actually do the single seed challenge. These stayed in there for about 3 weeks, so they're not very good. They dried way too much. And after I get done with this, I'm going to put them into a brine. I just picked the garlic a couple days ago, harvested my garlic, and I'm going to do a garlic dill brine mix for my sunflowers. I like dill sunflowers, or the dill pickle type that you buy at the store, so I'm going to try to do it myself and see how they taste. Just coming right out. These are some nice sunflower seeds. All right, I got my sunflower seeds roasted up, put them into bags, used my salt, garlic, and dill lime from the garden, and I got a few good ones out of there. A little disappointed because my sunflower seeds that I put in there about a week and a half, 2 weeks before my single seed challenge one was ready, they over dried. So I have several of these small seeds in here that over dried, that the meat inside of them is just powdered, but I get the taste out of them, and it's pretty good taste. Single seed challenge seeds, these are the ones that I was really looking forward to. Turned out great, tastes great. Gave some away at work too, and I've been really happy. It's been a couple of excitements, a couple of disappointments. The whole thing started out with a disappointment. It started out with me having some plants die in a bad greenhouse. Frost got to them. Didn't think that the sunflower seeds would last, or the sunflower plants, I should say, the American Giant Hybrid sunflowers would last. But they actually made it through, and those are the ones on either side of my single seed challenge plant back there. And I did my single seed challenge plant because I found out about the single seed challenge right after my 2 sunflower seeds got frozen solid. Or excuse me, found out about the single seed challenge right after my 2 sunflower plants froze solid. And I was sort of excited, started out the single seed challenge, planted a couple extra seeds in there, marked one as SSC for single seed challenge, let it grow, followed it through for a couple videos, and I still have a couple flowers blooming on it. Not as big as the main flower that came out first, but that's still a beautiful flower, still bringing bees in. Got another disappointment when I over dried my frozen sunflower seeds, or with the sunflowers. But all in all, great fun, love to do it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the single seed challenge series. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, push the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Love it.